Hey, what's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start calisthenics for beginners at home without any equipment. Now, when it comes to calisthenics for beginners, I would suggest sticking to the basics and just keeping things very simple because you want to just get that foundation of strength. The main exercises you want to be focusing on are push-ups, pull-ups, dips, and squats. Those are going to be the main movements you want to train and get better at. There are tons of free beginner-friendly exercises out there you can look up on YouTube, or you can subscribe to this channel. If you want to use a progression you can use, you just have to self-assess yourself where you're at. Now when it comes to pull-ups or any pulling movement or even the other exercises you can use this technique is called eccentrics. What eccentrics basically are is you're gradually lowering yourself throughout movement, you're lengthening the muscle, and that's a lot easier. It's a lot easier to get that done than actually doing the full movement. You want to control your weight on the way down. So for instance, if I was doing a pull-up, I would want to push myself up and then slowly let myself down, fighting against gravity. And that's basically what an eccentric is. And you can do that for the push-up, you can do that for the dip, you can do that for squats. Although I'm sure many people can do squats right off the bat because that's one of the easiest movements. If you're one of those people who are morbidly obese or overweight and you can't actually do any exercises, what you want to do is focus on being in a caloric deficit and gradually losing that weight, because it's going to be a lot harder for you to do calisthenics exercises because of the extra weight you're holding on to. So just focus on walking, doing light cardio, and getting into a gradual caloric deficit. Now I really wanted to make this video because I feel like there's a whole lot of videos out there explaining calisthenics and everything it has to do with calisthenics, but I wanted to make a beginner friendly video because honestly all those other videos out there I've seen, like, not dissing anybody, they're great information, but it's not very beginner friendly because it's explaining all these advanced terms that beginners aren't really going to understand what they mean, and there's just a lot of information to take in when it comes to training in calisthenics and building muscle and getting leaner and losing fat. So I would just advise just stick to the basics, get your diet down, your nutrition down, get yourself on at least a 3-day-a-week schedule. I personally do push-pull legs, but for beginners I would honestly suggest doing total full body workouts 3 days a week so your body can adapt to exercise. You want to gradually introduce your body to exercise. You don't want, this is not something you want to speed up, it's not something you want to force upon yourself. Once you get built up to it, once your body adapts to it, gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. If you're looking for workouts or any explanation videos when it comes to calisthenics, I'm your guy because I know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm a personal trainer in training and I can get you the results you want. So subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification so you don't miss another amazing calisthenics tutorial video or calisthenics vlog. And yeah, I'm going to be sharing my results on this channel as well. I'm trying to build some more muscle and lose a little bit of weight. So yeah, stay tuned for that.